I work for Kiewit. It's a large North American construction firm. We do everything from build power plants to roads and bridges. Before using Freshdesk, we had a bunch of ingrown, in-house systems that we had built. The systems became very difficult to use, difficult for people to access. So when I was looking for new systems, I think Freshdesk came up in several results as, one of the best support systems available in the market. I looked at several systems and Freshdesk was everything it was offered to be. This move to Freshdesk was new features, the kind of things that people expect. The ease of getting their requests out was a huge factor for us. That's something we needed to address. Little things like being able to just copy and paste a picture into the ticket was such a huge game changer for most people. We work with engineers and designers. They take screenshots, they just want to show me the problem, and they couldn't do that before. It was such a simple thing, but it was such a hard thing for us to come up with a solution for. For us, that was a huge step forward. The automation rules is a huge thing for me. It's very easy to use the rules. I can set up all kinds of different things. We were able to set up APIs to connect to the database, to get data out of the tools for our own digging around and getting at different features and understanding the data and the way that we want to do it, the way we want to attack it. Some of the metrics that are very important to Kiewit, the first response is a huge important thing for us. Another major metric for us is the amount of time on tickets, right? We need to know how much time our agents are spending on tickets. Those metrics help us do planning. Our group is continuing to grow, and I think a big part of that success is that we started using Freshdesk, but having a ticket system that helps us track all of the requests that we get every day has just created such an improvement for us.